Smoothies make a nutritious and fun breakfast or snack. Pop them into the freezer and you have a healthy frozen treat you can really feel good about. You'll find a complete list of ingredients for this recipe at the end of this video. In a blender, you're going to combine frozen strawberries and blueberries. I like to use frozen fruit here because it makes them freeze faster. And then a little bit of sugar, or you could use honey if you prefer to use honey. And then you need 1 cup of milk. And just add that to the blender container. And then pulse this all together until it's pureed. Okay, that's great. Now you're going to add 1/2 cup of raspberry yogurt. And this you just need to pulse till it's mixed through. Okay, so now we want to freeze this. You could drink these just like this, it's a nice smoothie, but we're going to freeze them and make popsicles out of them. And you can use an ice pop mold like this that you just put the popsicle sticks in, or these are really handy, you can just use 3-ounce paper cups. So this is going to make 12, and use a tray because it'll be easy to pop them into the freezer later. And I'm just going to fill each one up. All right, I'll finish pouring those and then I'll just pop them into the freezer to partially freeze. The smoothie pops are partially frozen, so I can put the sticks in now. These are just popsicle sticks, but if you can't find these, you could use straws or plastic spoons. Okay, return the smoothie pops to the freezer until they're frozen solid. Try making a just peachy smoothie with fresh canned or frozen peaches, honey or sugar, a cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of peach or vanilla flavored yogurt. Or a banana pineapple smoothie with a ripe banana, drained pineapple chunks, sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of vanilla or plain yogurt. In frozen smoothie pops and in all of your recipes, milk makes good food better. To get the complete 2009 Milk Calendar recipes, visit mymilkcalendar.ca.